Porsche isn't just saving petrol, they might have just exposed the biggest problem with electric cars. While most brands are trying to force electric down your throat, Porsche's going the other way, and maybe for good reason. They've just invested over $100 million into something called e-fuel. It's not electric, not hybrid, it's synthetic petrol that's fully carbon neutral. And the best part, it works in normal engines. No conversion, no battery, no nonsense. Here's why that matters. Electric cars take way more energy to build, especially because of their batteries. A brand new EV can actually pollute more during production than a petrol car does in years. Porsche's fuel flips that. It's made from captured carbon and water using renewable energy. Sounds wild, but they've already run it in a 911. Same sound, same soul, just cleaner. This isn't just a new fuel, it's a direct challenge to the EV future, and it might just win. Follow to stay ahead of the engine revolution and witness the death of electric 1 gallon at a time.